Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva of the Workers' Party was sworn in as president of Brazil for a 4-year term on Sunday. The inauguration of Lula da Silva and his vice president, Geraldo Alckmin, took place at 3 p.m. local time during a plenary session of the Chamber of Deputies in Brasilia. This is Lula da Silva's third presidential term, and his return to power comes after having spent more than a year in prison during 2018 and 2019 due to a controversial sentence that was later annulled by the Supreme Court. In October, Lula da Silva was elected president with 60.3 million votes, or 50.9% of the vote, while then-President Jair Bolsonaro obtained 58.2 million votes, or 49.1%. After the elections, the president-elect stressed in recent weeks that he will govern for everyone and that it's necessary to unite the country. Lula da Silva returns to the presidency with an agenda focused on strong social programs aimed at fighting poverty under the motto Union and Reconstruction.